Hi everyone, I am Dr. POOJA. Today I'm going to talk about botulinum toxin, or as we more commonly say it as Botox. Botox is an anti-wrinkle treatment. What are wrinkles? Wrinkles are furrows or depressions. So when we express ourselves, when we give expressions, our muscle contracts. These expressions initially make the muscles contract. So the muscles of our face keep contracting and relaxing with time, and with age, as we age, they leave a constant wrinkle formation on our face. So as we age, with increasing age, the skin undergoes certain degenerative changes. These changes initially are very dynamic in nature. That is, the wrinkles will only appear when we give certain expressions, but with time, these wrinkles become permanent. Botox can prevent as well as treat wrinkles, but treating dynamic wrinkles are much easier as compared to static wrinkles. So Botox helps us to treat wrinkles on our forehead, the glabella, the crow feet, that is the sidelines of the eyes, or the bunny lines present on the nose. It also helps us to treat the gummy smile, where the gums appear when we are smiling. It helps us treat the square face. In females, it helps us treat the neck bands, or even mesobotox is done for acne pores and periorbital rejuvenation. Botox is almost a painless procedure that we go to. We apply a cream to numb your area. Sometimes a little pinprick sensations though can be felt. But this is a very safe, effective, easy, and a very less time taking procedure. So you can get a more anti-wrinkle or a wrinkle-free skin, more youthful looking skin with just one visit to a dermatologist. So Botox is a very convenient procedure with amazing and excellent results. Wishing you a day as smooth as Botox. Thank you.